If you're a coach, a therapist, a trainer, a counsellor, a consultant, a facilitator of any kind, then I've got some news for you about something that's coming up in Hong Kong very soon that I think you're going to find very valuable. So I'm Peter Freeth. For 25 years I've been an executive and business coach, a trainer, and I'm the resident NLP Master Trainer at the All About You Centre in Hong Kong. You've invested a lot in your professional and technical skills because you want to be the best that you can be to support your clients. But if you really want to be successful, if you really want to help your clients, then there's something that you need, and that is clients. And as I'm sure you found out, getting your certificate or your training in whatever it is that you do did not automatically bring clients to your door. Your clients will never find out how good a service provider, how good a professional you are, until they have first experienced how good a salesperson you are. Selling is not about pushing or convincing. Everything bad that you think or that you've read about sales is about product selling, and service selling is fundamentally different. Selling is the primary way that you will create value in your service. And that is what we're going to spend a day working on at the All About You Centre in Hong Kong. So I'd love you to join me on the 1st of June to enjoy Selling Made Easy.